Good morning, it's Faye from Faye's Journal Emporium. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you to all my subscribers for tuning in today and checking out my latest journal. You know, Halloween's my favorite holiday. Those of you who follow me know that. And I have made another journal that I'm excited to share with you. This journal was inspired by several digital kits by Amy at Crafty Cat USA. She has a wonderful spooky watercolor digital and a watercolor forest that I used. And I've also used a few pages from her Spooky Past and 1920 something. So let's get started. I love this image on the cover. This is from Amy's Spooky Halloween, and I've layered it with some little netting that I've had that has some sparkles on it and a velveteen, oh, come on, Faye, spider web, sorry. And then the little Hocus Pocus is from Tim Holtz. I've used that same wonderful pumpkin fabric that I used for another journal. You can see the back of it because there's lots of pumpkins in her digital. It's tied shut with a sari silk tie. It measures 6 by 9, has a 1-inch spine with 2 signatures, and there are 112 total pages. The pages are actually 8 1/4 by 5 1/4. So let's get started. I've got all my little Halloween leaves laying around here. So this is what I loved, was all these gorgeous pumpkins. The interior is a Tim Holtz fabric. So I'm just going to flip through really quickly. I've used some of the little animals that were in the watercolor forest. Beautiful watercolor illustrations. I've added some bats. I have lots of die cuts in here. And I've created some tags. I had some of this watercolor paper, and I've just made some tags out of that and then done some, I've forgotten what they call these, but the person that gets this journal can certainly use this tag in any way they would like, and maybe tear that and add some of it to it or add some of your own things. There's lots of journaling space in this journal. This is a vellum piece that I printed on. It's a really nice feel to it. As I said, her illustrations are gorgeous. And I've added some things from Altered Artifacts, the kitties and the little tombstones and some of the little dolls. Another one of the die cuts. And then I did a flip out, as Carol Laws does such wonderful ones. And this flips all the way out like this. You can get that all in frame. And then there's a little tag I created using some die cuts and stamping and some little hats. I've made the little animals into witches or had costumes. So there's journaling space on the back of that. And then this flips out, and there's lots and lots of, again, this is one of the pages from the watercolor kit, the watercolor forest. And this is some rice paper that has some leaves in it. Some tea-dyed paper. Another little tag that I made with some die cuts and, again, stamping. And then this little fox has a mask. And this is from the 1920 something. And then I love this watercolor illustration of the witch. And the two signatures have little charms in the center. This one has, let's see if I can pick this up and get it in focus. There's a little cat and a little spider web on this one. This house is amazing. And another one of those, I've I have lots of leaves that I have laminated, and I just clipped one to this. And then again, the watercolors, and it just tucks in here. And this comes from Spooky Past. With a little bat and some die cut leaves. And then here's another little card tag that I made using, again, the stamping. And these little guys are from Beyond the Moon, from the Poe kit. And there's one of the Tim Holtz little sayings. Some more bats. You have to have bats for Halloween. Again, these are from Altered Artifacts. There's a little tuck spot here with a couple little tickets in it. I believe this is from Junk with Stuff. Then this flips out. You've got more journaling space to put some pictures of your own. Decorate how you would like. A couple more of those little watercolor tags. And this is this little girl from Altered Artifacts. Another tag. I love this little hedgehog. She's so cute. And the bright colors are amazing. There's the little gal from the front. Oops. And then I love this dark, I don't know if you can focus on that and see how he's so cute with his little wings. And another die cut. But the beautiful colors, absolutely gorgeous fall colors in this kit. Both of these kits. This is from the watercolor forest with the waterfalls. This little tuck spot here. And this is the other side of the envelope. And this little envelope, I've stuck a couple of things in here. There's a little squirrel from the kit. There's a little tag that I made. And then this is a little envelope. Use the All Hallows Eve canceled stamp. And then there's a little pumpkin in here for a secret journaling spot. And that all just fits right in there. Another one of the vellum pages. Tea-dyed paper. Die cuts. It's a murder of crows. More rice paper. I love the little orange. And the pumpkin's amazing. I put some more bats. You can't have too many bats. Such a beautiful scene. And then this is another little tag that I made using one of the little dolls. And then this is a little secret journaling spot right there. Another chuck spot. I love the bat. And another couple little tags you can decorate as you'd like. And another flip out. It's a little bear with a mask on. Let's see if I can open this out so you can see the whole thing. And then here's another little tag. The animals like Halloween also. It's beautiful, beautiful paper. And these are from the watercolor forest. These are some of the backing pages. They're just gorgeous. And of course, a large bat in the center. And this one has a little bat charm and a little ghost charm. Just another little tag. Gorgeous illustrations. Another bat. The cat and the little girl, again from Altered Artifacts. Another vellum page. It looks so misty and beautiful. And I think this is my favorite tag. It says Lost in the Woods. She's accompanied by a little bunny. But it's beautiful watercolors. I love the switch, and here's another one of my leaves. I love this one because it's got the hole in the center of it. If you can, just matched perfectly. And then here's a trick-or-treat bag. The jack-o'-lantern face. And then here's the last page. Gorgeous, again, gorgeous colors. So that's my journal. And I hope you like her. As I said, I was inspired by Amy's kits. They're all just gorgeous. And this journal will be available in my Etsy shop when the video goes up. Thanks for joining me.